Hello dear friends, I recently changed the brushes on a Bosch alternator and noticed that my soldering iron is very dirty. In this video we will try some easy ways to clean the soldering iron. My wife doesn't watch my videos, so I can use the special melt iron cleaning stick that I found at home. Don't heat up soldering iron too much. Approximately iron temperature. If you heat soldering iron too much, the cleaning stick will melt quickly. Very difficult is not to heat the soldering iron too much. If it is too hot, the cleaning stick will melt too quickly. The stick smells very unpleasant. I don't like it. Clean the remnants of stick. Let's try again, but to be honest, I didn't like this method. Too much strong smell. I don't like this method of cleaning the soldering iron. Obviously, I need to remove a thick layer of dirt first. I lose this dirt with a screwdriver. Notice how much dust is on the paper. This cleaning method is very good. Melting pencil can only remove a little of dirt, spoil the air a little more. How far we have progressed in cleaning the soldering iron? Remove the remaining dust with a rag and try a little more again. Now let's try the third way. Clean the soldering iron with a file. It is also very good to clean the soldering iron with a wire brush. I think everyone has sandpaper. This is also very good way. I think our soldering iron will look no worse than you. Sandpaper is very convenient to clean the soldering iron. But do not forget that all dust must be removed. Finally, a good result. If you use acid, you can damage the soldering iron. Look what a beautiful soldering iron. Unfortunately, my soldering iron is a bit damaged by soldering acid. Thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.